So you must have heard that vitamin C is amazing for skin, right? It's basically all over the skincare world, helping in brightening the skin tone, reducing dark spots, and giving the glow that we all want. But wait, does that mean that grabbing a lemon from your kitchen will give you the same benefits? Today, I'm breaking down the real impact of using lemon juice on your skin, what makes vitamin C so special, and what's the difference between vitamin C in skincare and a slice of lemon. Let's get started. Lemon juice is one of the most popular at-home skincare ingredients. It's natural, it's loaded with vitamin C, and it's easy to find. Celebrities and influencers often claim it as a miracle ingredient. But when it comes to skincare, does natural automatically mean safe? What's in lemon juice? Really, lemon and lime juices are primarily composed of citric acid, along with smaller amounts of other organic acids, vitamin C, and compounds like limonene and citrol. A high vitamin C content can potentially act as an antioxidant and promote collagen production, while the acidic nature of lemon juice can help with exfoliation and balancing skin tone. Sounds amazing, right? But here's a twist. The acidity and composition of lemon vary depending on where and when they were harvested. That means there's no guarantee that the lemon you're holding in your hands has enough vitamin C to actually do something for your skin. Lemon juice gone wrong. Now let me tell you two very serious stories of lemon juice. A 7-year-old girl was admitted to Arizona Burn Center after playing with lemons in her backyard. She had squeezed lemon juice onto her skin while in direct sunlight. Within 24 hours, she developed pain, arrhythmia, and blisters in multiple parts of her body. The child presented with scattered first-degree and second-degree burn-like lesions on her face, neck, chest, forearms, hands, lower extremities, and feet. She required hospitalization for 4 days, during which she received wound care, blister debridement, and pain control. This case highlights the severity of photodermatitis reaction. Now, another incident happened with a bartender. A bartender developed hand dermatitis due to occupational exposure to citrus fruits. Interestingly, patch tests revealed that the bartender had allergic contact sensitivity to the skin of lemon, lime, and orange, and this case demonstrates that citrus-induced skin reactions can be complex and may involve different components of the fruit. And despite all these risks, if you think that lemon juice might help with dark spots, here's a heads up. It can make your skin even more sensitive to the sun. Citric acid increases your skin's vulnerability to UV rays, which can lead to sunburns, premature aging, and yes, even more dark spots. So if lemon juice is this harmful, then why so many people still turn to lemon juice? The big reason is the myth that natural means safer. But as we've seen, just because it's from nature doesn't always mean it's harmless. DIY using lemon juice. Some people suggest that instead of using lemon juice directly on the face, mixing it with other ingredients like yogurt or honey would make it gentler or safer. But even when diluted, lemon juice is still highly acidic and can damage your skin barrier. That stinging sensation? It's your skin saying, no thank you. The pH problem. Why lemon and skin don't mix? Now let's talk about something simpler. Let's talk pH. Your skin's natural pH is around 5.5, which is mildly acidic and keeps it balanced. Lemon juice has a pH around 2, which is far too acidic for your skin, can throw off your skin's natural balance, leading to damage and irritation. So here's the bottom line. Lemon juice might be popular in DIY skincare, but the risks are far too high. From painful reaction to increased pigmentation and sun sensitivity, it's just not worth it. If you're looking for a brightening effect or want to reduce your pigmentation, there are safer and more effective options out there, like scientifically formulated skincare products with vitamin C that is made to suit your skin and provide all the benefits without harming your skin. Loving your skin means treating it with products that are meant to nourish and protect it, not with ingredients that belong in your kitchen. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it to help someone to avoid a skincare mistake, and subscribe for more such videos. See you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Don't forget to love the skin you're in. This is Diba signing off today from Diba's Quest.